Hello and welcome to this video by Affirmations Time channel. Today we will repeat amazing motivational affirmations to achieve unbelievable success. Let's begin. I trust my journey. I trust my journey. I am thankful for my health and happiness. I am thankful for my health and happiness. I am capable of creating. I am capable of creating. I am thankful I can embrace new opportunities. I am thankful I can embrace new opportunities. I am grateful for my unique skills and talents. I am grateful for my unique skills and talents. I am deserving of happiness in my life. I am deserving of happiness in my life. I am open to receiving support from others. I am open to receiving support from others. I am motivated to achieve my goals. I am motivated to achieve my goals. I am in control of myself and my thoughts. I am in control of myself and my thoughts. I am worthy of love and support. I am worthy of love and support. I am grateful for each moment of this life that I am blessed with. I am grateful for each moment of this life that I am blessed with. I am confident in my skills and gifts. I am confident in my skills and gifts. I see my goals clearly. I see my goals clearly. I am getting healthier every day. I am getting healthier every day. I feel more grateful each day. I feel more grateful each day. I can be whatever I want to be. I can be whatever I want to be. I am living a purposeful and fulfilling life. I am living a purposeful and fulfilling life. I am in control of my life's journey. I am in control of my life's journey. I am able to go outside of my comfort zone. I am able to go outside of my comfort zone. I am at peace with where I am in life. I am at peace with where I am in life. I trust everything happens for a reason. I trust everything happens for a reason. I am confident in my abilities. I am confident in my abilities. I am resilient and can overcome any obstacles. I am resilient and can overcome any obstacles. I am grateful for all that I have learned. I am grateful for all that I've learned. I am confident I can take risks. I am confident I can take risks. I am strong enough to tackle any challenge. I am strong enough to tackle any challenge. I am aligned with my mission. I am aligned with my mission. If you have been with me until now, like this video and give me a heart in the comments. Subscribe Affirmations Time to receive the most powerful and effective affirmations every day. It's time to believe in yourself.